Hey internet world, thanks for tuning in. My name is Mike and this is West Coast Boat Life. A little bit of background, I'm completely new to boating and my family is as well, but we thought we'd take you along the journey and things that we encounter here on the west coast of BC in the boating world. Today I am sitting in my car in a little bit of disbelief because I drove out here after work and I outran the rain. Because it was pouring rain in town all the way up the highway, and I get to beautiful Sydney, BC, and the roads are untouched, bone dry, and I'm still in a bit of a shock. But if you are in the boating world, you know there is times that we need to pick up supplies, and that's why I'm here. So if you can see, it's Spencer's Marine Supply here in Sydney, BC. These guys have always been good to me since I started, and I'm here to pick up a few things that I've called ahead of time about, so we can go in and check it out and hopefully they got it ready for me. Hey, what's happening?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, and you?
Not too bad.
You got some goodies for me today?
All right there, ready to go.
This is it?
You got her.
Perfect. I should have some antennas, yes?
I got them, those two.
Perfect. Oh, was that what those rods I saw were up there, eh?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome, we'll get it loaded up. Thanks, man. So the guys at Spencer's were a little busy today, so I didn't spend too much time there with them. They had it ready to go for me, which is nice. So now at the marina, and we're gonna load up what we can onto the boat, and then get ready to install it sometime soon. Oh. Hey, not locked yet. Perfect. Isn't that always the way? Wait, I can. Right, start going. And we're through. Guess I should take my key. See how much damage we can do here. Considering how miserable the weather was coming out here, it is a perfect night. And this is what they say, the piece de resistance, or some crap like that. But the most important thing a boat should have, barbecue.
think that's just about it for today, because it's my first vlog and I'm making it short because I want to. Hopefully I will take you on the journey of trying to install those damn antennas and cooking food on the barbecue. And I'm not going to bore you with putting fenders in the fender holders, but now that I have fender holders, I'm not going to look like a damn noob out there. So perception's reality. As long as I don't look the part, maybe I won't be a noob. But thanks for patronizing me and coming along the journey. Hopefully see you again. I know there's not a whole lot of content, but why don't you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and come along with my journey. Thanks very much.